I never thought a day like this will come that I have to post a filmed video, or rather a failed video, failed hairstyle tutorial. But yeah, you guys, that's what we have today. So I had this idea in my head, and all I needed to do was to bring it to life, right? So I have these already used bulk hair. I decided to reuse the hair. Of course, I've told you guys several times that I reuse my bulk hair over and again. So this isn't a new thing. But what happened at the end is what I do not understand. I do not have explanation for it. So I started off by trying to create a chunky um braid, or rather chunky twist, which from the beginning I had high hopes and it had potential, I would say. Um I could tell from this point that, oh, wow, this hair is going to come out really great, like really, really great. Yeah, I did like the feeding method, and for the fact that I used this gel to braid this hair gave me so much hope as when I started, right? It gave it this relaxed, moist hairstyle. If you get what I mean, when you use bulk hair to braid your hair. Yeah, it was so beautiful. From the beginning. Yes, I keep saying that. So this is what the first line looks like. Really nice, right? I know. So I've gone ahead to do this much off camera, and then I continued until I was done with the back part of the hair. So most times, yeah, I go off camera to section the hair because I was actually working with the length of my camera. I had no mirror in front of me. Okay. I don't know, TMI. I just had to um put that in there. Yeah, I continued with the braids and all of that. I really like how I did the ends of the braid because it just gave it that beautiful coily ends. Okay, so I'm done installing the back side of the hair. My initial thought was to do like, I don't know if this is called Fulani hairstyle, but yeah, I wanted to do like braiding on the cornrows. Yeah, sorry, cornrow on the front part of the hair, and my cornrow did not cornrow. My cornrow was just plain ABCD abadabidi. I don't know how to ever explain that. See, there are some kind of hairstyle I do not see myself carrying, even if I'm the one that did it, or rather, yeah, did it for myself. I do not see myself carrying some kind of hairstyle. So this was that kind of hairstyle. And when I got to the second braid of this hair, the second cornrow, I was like, this isn't for me. Absolutely not. So yeah, right here, it was looking like, okay, everything is gonna turn out nice. By the time I was done, I was like, this didn't come out well. So I had to unravel it and go do these other braid, rather cornrow, off camera. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. So I was like, okay, something good is going to come out of this. And then I went ahead and created the second cornrow. My guys, like guys, I was like, no, this is not me. I'm not gonna, I'm not carrying this Ijebu Ijebu hairstyle. So I had to unravel it, and then I decided to just do like single plait for the rest of the hair. So I started with sectioning, and then when I got to the half of the front part of it, I realized I do not have enough braiding hair to finish up the hair. Which kind juju be that one? Like really, which kind juju? At this point, I would say I've used already 4 to 5 packs of hair. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is when I realized, oh, I cannot continue with this hairstyle. And then I went ahead to start unraveling. After spending the whole day on this hair, I had to take down this hair that night. I took down this hair and just put my hair on single plait, just like this. That's how I finished up with this hair situation. Oh. I'm like, I beg, I'm not fit at all. So this is basically it. I just did this and just carried it for the rest of the week and wore wig all through. And that's why I don't see ritual. But at the same time, like I'm coming here to share this. I'm gonna post this video regardless. Okay?